Hello guys, in this video we will review the new Skullcandy Indy Evo Earbuds. So this is their newest generation Skullcandy and they improved quite a lot of features. It's a true wireless earbuds. The battery lifetime has been increased a lot, quite a lot, up to 30 hours total battery. Water resistance is IP55, which is quite good for earbuds. You can use either earbuds solo, and they have a partnership with Tile, so you can find your earbuds with the Tile application. Let's see what it says on the back. Here you can see some more features. Battery 6 hours in buds and plus 24 hours in case, which is, yeah, that's pretty impressive. Rapid charge. For 10 minutes charge, you can receive 2 hours of battery lifetime. Enhanced fit and size, which is quite good. I've already tried them and they have different ear tips, so you can definitely find the one that fits for you. Built-in tile, as we mentioned, sweat, water, and dust resistant, pretty good. Active assistant via touch, call track and volume control, music, movie, and podcast IQ modes, which are quite good. I'm not sure if the general public would use them regularly, but yeah, they're there. Titanium coated drivers and ambient listening mode, which is quite impressive. I will tell you some more about them. So let's begin with the unboxing. The package quality is quite good. I like this matte finish, but yeah, it's nothing very special. Let's open it and pull out the case. So here are the buds and the case. The buds are separate, so they are not in the case when you open them. Let's put this aside for a second. Here are the changeable earpieces, and also this very nice piece that is a new feature in the Indy Evo series, which helps you to keep the earbuds in your ears. This is a very nice touch. But as I've tried them, I found that it can be, for the first few times when you use it, it can be a little bit strange. It might cause even small pain in your ears, but after a few hours of use, you can get used to it. So, and it definitely helps to keep the earbuds safely in your ears. For me, it never fell out, so yeah, it's pretty much safe. You get this QR code, and with this you can get help with your earbuds if you have problems with connecting or any other problems. Here you also see some descriptions for the functions, how you can use your earbuds, which is, with earbuds it can get quite complicated for all the different features. As you can see, here are all the tap and hold, double tap, triple tap, two two short taps and one long. Yeah, so it can get quite hard to memorize, but yeah, if you get used to it, it's quite intuitive. So yeah, and obviously you don't have to use all these different features as I mentioned. And what else do we got in the box? Yeah, the user guide, which is empty. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same, just in different languages. That's it about the box. After, when you open it, the box, the inside is not so high quality, but let's hope that the earbuds are. So here is the case, which is actually a little bit smaller than the previous generation, and it's got new design, and the lid closes a little bit more and it's a little bit stronger. For the first generation it was pretty easy to open even without touching it, but now it's quite stable. It won't open if I don't touch it, so that's pretty good. You have these lights, these are also new. so you can see the charge of the case, which is good. And the build is quite interesting because, as you see, here are the lights, but when they disappear, you can't really see the light. This color is the black, but they also have it in pink and gray. So yeah, this is the case, and here are the magic earbuds. Let's take them out. You can push them from the bottom, so it's easier. Okay, this is the left one, and this is the right one. Let's place this aside. So here are the buds. This is the piece that I told you that helps you keep them in your ears, which is quite good. It helps a lot, but yeah, it takes little times to get used to it. But yeah, definitely worth it. So let's place them in the case. It's very easy. You just place the right one to the right side, the left one to the left side. These red lights are going to turn on, as you can see, which means that it's charging. Inside the case, you can read the Indy Evo and the model number. And yeah, you just place them in the case and close it. Now, if you want to connect them to your phone, you just open the case, take the earbuds out, and the Bluetooth is automatically turned on. As you can see, there is a blue light, and when you connect them to your phone or any other device, the blue light is going to turn on again, and you can see if they are in connecting mode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just connect to your device and start listening. The listening quality, the music quality is quite good. The range is not that high. The low end is not so deep and the high end is not so high, but definitely a nice balance there. And I've tried the ambient mode, which is quite impressive. I work in an office, and when I turned on the ambient mode and I was listening to some music, I can still hear all the discussions in the office. So if anybody wanted to tell me something, I could definitely hear it. So that's a very nice touch. Even if you are on public transportations or you walk on the street, it can be helpful and safer if you can hear your surroundings. But if you turn off the ambient mode, it's pretty much closed, so you don't hear anything. That's it for the Indy Evo Skullcandy earbuds. If you have any more questions, just go to the comment section and I will answer if I can. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.